All right guys, I just want to do a quick video here before I get too far. Started this project just kind of thinking about it and then went a little further than I thought before I got the video camera. But so this step here that's spaced up off the step below it, this one had sank into the back here. So this area here is much lower than it should be. So that had caused all the other steps above it to be misaligned and unlevel and not safe at all. This one step here was like leaning back really steep and was kind of treacherous if you didn't know that it was like that. So what I've done is I've moved all the steps kind of out of their location, and so I've got to reset all 4 of these steps, but really it's this one that needs to be leveled and reset properly, and then all the others will follow after that. And then once I've got those set, I've got to create another step where this paver will line up to the top of this step. So once I get all these steps reset, then I can finish my pavers coming down the walkway here and start turning the corner. But this morning I've been removing all the stones and bricks that were around here so that I could create this step. And I think that that new step is going to go all the way across to the wall here, and there'll actually be a step down going into the backyard or back terrace area here. So just a little quick update there, and then I'll do some video once everything is complete and show you what it looks like. All right, so I've got the first step, the one that was sunk, packed in and backfilled, and I've got it back in place now. So now I've got to do the other 3. I'm going to flip this second one down on top of this one and backfill it, and then move it in place and do that all the way up to the top. All right, we got the second one in place. Only 2 more to go. Hope I have enough gravel, but I think I do. And so what I'm doing is I'll tilt this one over on top of that one, and then I'm backfilling with like large bricks, pieces like this, to get my level, and then I backfill to the top of the bricks with gravel. So I'll get a quick picture of that when I get this one get ready to put it in place. All right, so I've got the 3rd step ready to set in place. You can see it's sitting on top of that step. And so what I've done is backfilled with a bunch of large bricks, concrete pavers and that kind of thing, and then leveled it off with the small gravel. So you look through here, you can see that it's pretty level with the step at the bottom. And so I'm gonna just tilt it back and push it in place, and then that one will be set in place. All right, I've got that one in place, and now for the last step, and that one will be I'll have to add a step, but this is the last one that was existing already. So I'm going to flip it over on top of this one below it and start backfilling that. I don't think I'm going to have enough gravel, so I may have to come back and finish that, but we'll at least get it close. So I've got the last stone step put in place. I had to rob a little gravel over here from the edge to fill it in completely, but now I have to install the piece that will go up against this step, and that will allow me to backfill and install the remainder of the pavers. So I'm going to go from all the way from this corner all the way to the wall with a piece that is similar to these, and then that will be, this edge here will be the top of the step, and then the pavers will kind of just run right up against that. So it's kind of a rounded edge here, so that'll be a little softer than a real sharp edge. So I'll have to purchase, I think that's a total of 3 meters to get over into the bushes. So I've got to purchase a couple more of those. I have one, and then I have the additional pavers in the back. So I have to get some gravel and a couple of the vertical pieces, and we'll be finished with this portion of the walkway. Can't wait.